Hi, I am SOUMI and I am creating this sparkly smoky eyes look. You can create it for evening makeup or any special occasion to attend. Let me start with my favorite Revlon Photo Ready Perfecting Primer. I am applying a generous amount to make my skin smoother to get a perfect base. You can see a skin tone difference here. This is because of the poor lighting. Request to please bear with it today. I'll be using LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation for natural looking glowy base. Let me first cover my whole face with the foundation brush and then settle it down with sponge. Sponge helps not only to settle down the foundation on face but also take out excess product if any. Orange corrector is for dark circles or dark spots. I am spreading out with my fingertip. You can use any brush also. Let me settle it down with Revlon Touch and Glow powder. I will be using this matte foundation from L'Oreal Paris Infallible range as concealer today. I am using my Revlon Choco Shade lipstick as my contour. Actually, I don't like this shade on my lips, so I am using it in this way. So now my base is ready. I am using this dark brown shade from my eyeshadow palette to shape up my eyebrows. I forgot to set my base with some powder. I always forget something. Today I'll be using my new Blue Heaven Bling eyeshadow matte plus metallic palette. I am using this deep chocolate shade on upper half of my lid and this light shade to cover rest. My palette is Cocktail Fever. To create the base of my smoky eye, I am using Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. If you are enjoying the video, please like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get all notifications. Now I am taking this dark steel grey color from this palette. This is a metallic shade. Now cover and blend nicely the whole lid. Now darken it up with black eyeshadow. Using the same deep brown eyeshadow on lower part also. I am using Revlon Intense Black Kajal and L'Oreal Paris Flash Cut Black Eyeliner today. I have applied Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes offline. I am using the pinky shade from Revolution Cheek Kit as blusher. Now using the golden shade as highlighter. Now I'll outline and fill my lips with MAC Lip Pencil Spice. Let me top coat it with peachy shade from the Fab 5-in-1 Nude Lipstick. This is a beautiful one I found recently and I would definitely like to review it separately. Settle everything with NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. It will not only help you to settle down your makeup, but also it will give you a dewy glowy finish look. We are yet to add glitters. If you want without glitter, you can have this look also. This is also pretty good. So this you can say the completed look of brown smoky eyes with middle parting straight hair look. Though you can add falsies to enhance the look, but not everyone is mustard to wear it, so I am showing without it today. Let me add some glitter now. Here is the completed glittery smoky eye look. I recreated the same eye makeup with false eyelashes and colored lenses. It came out just great. So I hope you are also going to try it out with your choice of jewelries and dress. Do not forget to like, comment and share the video before leaving. See you in my next video. Take care.